So, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good too, especially now.
Yeah, this is it. Nice and
I would like to ask you something.
Tell me something. What would you
Okay, I would like to ask you about the surprise you did to George. What about it?
So, I wasn't meant to come this year. I decided not to come, not to cut hair, to give other people a chance and opportunity to show themselves, and also based upon the fact that the next HAIRFEST that I do will be the HAIRFEST London. So that was the kind of deal in principle that we had. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to send my team instead. I'm going to send Sean and Mixtai from Men's Bar Academy. But I thought, you know what? I can't not come. I've been a part of this. It's a part of my heart. I love George so much. And I thought, I've got a meeting in Thessaloniki anyway. So I'm going to make it on the same time that is the HAIRFEST. And I thought, you know what? There's going to be no better way than to make a surprise.
A surprise, like
Big
today.
surprise. Wow.
What are your feelings?
I feel a lot of adrenaline. I feel like it was very spontaneous. I was literally watching the scoreroom guys on my iPad in the hotel room, and I thought, now I'll go tomorrow, I'll go tomorrow, I'll go tomorrow. And you know what I thought? Tomorrow might not come. God is the best of planners. If I go now. I closed the laptop, I called the Uber, I came down here and I thought the best time is when they finish. No one will expect Josh Lamonaca to appear past midnight.
Indeed, no one expected it.
No one
so
expected it.
I think that you understood it for the crowd
The crowd was crazy.
It went crazy.
It was, the energy was fantastic. Wow, that will never, you can never replace that energy. You can recreate a haircut, you can recreate a hairstyle, you can recreate education, but energy, you cannot replace it. You can never replace an energy.
Vibes are important.
That's it, that's it.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you very much, good night.
Thank you so much.